और रुक कर इस वक्त बोईसर पाल घर का, जहां पर आपको बता दें कि अनिरुद्ध इंग्लिश मीडियम विद्यालय में झंडारोहण करके जश्न आज़ादी का पर्व मनाया गया। इस मौके पर विद्यालय के प्रबंधक अनिल चौधरी, प्रधानाध्यापिका श्रीमती गीता चौधरी, मुख्य अतिथि आदि ने जश्न आज़ादी का पर्व बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया तथा बच्चों को मिष्ठान वितरण करके उनके उज्ज्वल भविष्य की कामना की।
Myself Parnavi Sankhe, and I would like to speak few words about the Independence Day. So today we all are gathered here to celebrate our 78th Independence Day. So let me speak few words about it. So you all must have heard one proverb that unity is strength. So Independence Day is a very best example of that proverb. See, before independence, our India was ruled by the Britishers. And these Britishers came in our India for the commerce and trade purpose. But instead of doing that commerce and trade, they looted the people of India and exploited them. So to achieve this freedom, there were many great freedom fighters like Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. So they have laid their lives and fought for our country, and this freedom was achieved. Do you all know one fact that India was supposed to get independence on June 30, 1948? But later this date was postponed to 15th of August 1947, and this was done to avoid the blur. So this is the reason why we celebrate the Independence Day on 15th of August 1947. So next thing, there is one, our Indian government keeps one theme every year for the independence, like Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, then Har Ghar Tiranga. So for this year, the theme of our Indian government is Viksit Bharat. That means the developed nation, that is developed India. And this theme reflects the government's commitment to our nation that India will be a whole developed nation by the year 2047. So it is not only the government's duty, but it is also our duty to fulfill our responsibilities towards it. Last but not the least, I would like to wish each and everyone present here a very happy independence. Thank you.